Hi, I'm Kelly Ham. I'm the instructor for this course. I'm really excited that you decided to take math online. However, we all know that taking math online is not always a piece of cake. But with a little bit of work, some practice, some studying, and a few tips I'm going to share with you today, I think you can be successful in this course. You are going to have to put in the time and effort to learn material on your own and complete assignments in a timely manner. I am always available through email. You'll be able to see my email address in my syllabus or by phone if you need me. I'm not always in my office, so email is the best way to get up with me if you need to contact me. I want to go over a few things to help you be successful in this course. I'm going to share with you my Moodle page that we share for this course. Now, ours are going to look a little bit different because I'm the instructor for this course and you're a student. But I do want to go over most of the things that will look the same and basically how you should navigate to be successful in this course. This is our main Moodle page. So if I refer to anything on the main Moodle page, it's the first page you see when you click our course. On the left, there's just content links that will take you to different pages in our Moodle. Now you can see that not all of them are published yet because we're going to open them as we go through the semester. This first link here is a Collaborate office hour. So if you should need me Monday through Thursday or Friday or by appointment, this is the link you'll click to be able to collaborate with me, to chat with me. Of course, I will be available through email at any time. Now, this course is run through Moodle. MyLab Math is a supplementary resource in completing this assignment. You'll see our syllabus, which is where you can get all your information like your course Bible for this course. Our pacing guide about what sections we're going to learn. And this assignment due date sheet that I say, please print and keep, which is what's going to keep you guided through this class. Let's click on that and look and see what it looks like. Here it is. It gives you every assignment that you're going to be responsible for in this course. It lets you know when the assignment's going to open and when the assignment is due. So you can see every Thursday night you have something due in this class. The exception is the week of spring break and the last week, which ends early on a Tuesday instead of a Thursday. You can see that I have every assignment, whether it's in Moodle or if it's in MyLab Math, so you can know where you're supposed to go to get your assignment. That is posted in Moodle. Here's an exam rubric to let you know what your final exam is going to consist of, and this very important enrollment verification quiz. Once you have viewed those documents, please log on to Moodle, click this link, and take this enrollment quiz. This is how you are enrolled in the course. Without taking this quiz, I have to drop you because it doesn't show you're enrolled. If you're questioning whether you should take an online math class or online class period, then you can take this online readiness quiz here to kind of navigate on if you're in the right place. This is your green P. Your green P and these instructions are what's going to log you on to your MyLab Math resources where your homework and your test are posted. Here's some accessing the ebook because you weren't required to buy a book. There's how to access the ebook, some instructions for MyLab Math, and then other helpful information like how do I convert a Word to a PDF? What if I'm running this course through an Apple product? What do I need to do? In the bottom corner, you can see that you can go to the next section, which is once you take your enrollment quiz, you'll have access to these. You'll see that you have assignments like quizzes, discussion forums here in your Moodle, as well as when you jump into Unit 1, the contents of the textbook. You can see that our textbooks is labeled with letters and numbers, not just section like 17, chapter 17 or whatever. You'll see you have projects. You'll see that I have posted notes and resources and PowerPoints and videos for you, review documents, and then at the very bottom of each unit, you'll see your assignments that are due in that unit. And then if any forum or discussion or quiz is there, it will have a block. Otherwise, it will be in MyLab Math where you have to click on the green P. For each unit test, I give you a box so that I can give you information about what's expected. on your test, but you do not, like the last bullet says, you do not have to make any submissions for your test because they are posted in MyLab Math. Each one of the units are set up pretty much the same way. The only thing that's different is the content within the unit, and of course the assignments are a little bit different. Sometimes I have important messages from the instructor for you to watch. I give you calculator tips on how to be successful in each one of the units. So Moodle is your primary resource for your teaching material. If I go back to you can navigate through the sections on the left. So if I go back to my introduction, the green P is where you will access your MyLab Math assignments. But Moodle is where you have assignments and resources. So for those of you that are just logging into MyLab Math because you've used it before, you may miss some assignments in Moodle. Where do I go? Again, if I need to know what's due, you go to your assignments due date sheet here, and it keeps you on track. As an online student, it's very important that you check your emails daily. That's my only way to communicate with you. So please make sure you are staying on top of your assignments, working hard, using your textbook and Moodle as a primary source to be successful in this course. And as always, if you need me, feel free to reach out through email or phone.